Hello everyone. This is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to use an item sorting script I created that just takes items from some sort of import chest here into the sorted outputs out here. I'm doing this in the Create Above and Beyond mod pack, which although already does have a brass filter system, which you can use to do this exact same thing. These brass tunnels are a bit mid-game to get and not accessible early on, whereas computers are a bit cheaper to get early on, so that's why I created this script. So yeah, getting started, you'll obviously need a computer. You'll need some networking cable and some wired modems. This is just a rough setup I got. You can use for reference, but the important thing is you just have some chests linked to these blocked versions of the wired modem, not the flat version, because I don't think they quite link up the same way. From there, you'll just need to right-click to make sure it's red. You'll want to note the name of the chest. In this case, it's the input chest, so I want to mark down chest 0 as the input chest. And then over here, I got chest 3 and chest 4. I want to make note of that as well as I go through this. Now, from here, let me switch up to a different item because I don't know the name of this one. I'll switch it to coal. All you're going to want to do is go to your computer, paste bin, which should already be built into the computer. You're going to do paste bin git. And then you want to type in this exact code, which is a link for pastebin. Make sure you get it right. So X0YD654 capital K. And of course you'll want to put this into the startup file. That way the computer will run this every single time it starts up. That way if you exit out of the game, come back, or the chunk unloads, you don't have to go back and restart this computer every single time. So I'm going to type that in, and then I'm just going to hold Control R to restart the computer. That will bring up this setup wizard where it will prompt you to select the input chest. Now, as I went over before, chest 0 was the input chest in my setup, so I'm just going to choose 1, corresponding to this option. Set that up, and then from here I got some options here. The one I want to do is I'm going to select 1 again, which is going to be to update routes for an output inventory, so I'm going to press 1. And then let's start with chest number 3. Actually, so I'm going to do 2. That corresponds to Minecraft chest underscore 3. And then I'm going to type in the name of the item I want to sort. So that's Minecraft cobblestone. You might need to look up the exact name online somewhere or something, but it's important that you get this right. I'm going to do that. And if I want to do additional items here, I could type them in, but I'm good for this, so I'm just going to type done, which will exit out of that. And then I want to set up the other chest as well, so I'm going to press 1 again. And then the other chest is chest underscore 4, which is option number 3. Select that. And then I'm going to do Minecraft coal for this one. And once again, if I want to set up additional items here, I could, but I'm good to go there, so I'm just going to type done. And then optionally, if you just want to see what you currently got, I'm going to press 2. I can see up here that coal is set up to chest number 4, cobblestone is set up to chest number 3. That all looks right to me. So I'm going to finish setup by pressing 3, and there it goes. So it looks like I already had some cobblestone in this chest, so it already routed that over there. So let me just take this out so we can see it again. So I'm going to have some coal, put it in here, put some cobble in here, and sure enough, there goes the coal, and here comes the cobble. It works pretty much the exact way as the brass filter, just a little cheaper. And yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.